So hair is done and I'm on vacation and it's been amazing so far. I decided to get on the treadmill for the first time in a long time. I'm not gonna shame myself or try to do the should and all that. But it's just this vacation is giving me some extra motivation to do what's always been in my head. And leading up to this vacation, it wasn't easy because of just when you're planning and the preparation. It's not the greatest feeling because there's just so much you have to consider. Well, we're here and I said we flew in yesterday, settled, did the activities, and I said this morning I'm gonna get on treadmill. I'm starting with something very basic. They do have workout equipment here. I'm gonna do the very basic thing. I didn't drop any workout plan for myself. I'm just gonna do a full body, but not go into it with I'm about to just go in and go hard. No, it's gonna be very basic, and I'm going to be present in the moment with whatever gets done and just remind myself of that this happens. We have hiatus in life and that it's okay to just start. It's nothing like a start over. It's not anything like, oh, this is a reset. No, I'm just taking action and starting with today with that. And it's just been circulating in my mind. And coming on this vacation is like a breath of fresh air. It is layered with emotions, seeing friends and family and loved ones. Haven't seen in a while. And spending time with family, and we're just vibing out. We're just relaxing. We're chilling. And I'm like, why not? Literally don't have to clean up or anything, or just go downstairs and do something very simple. Sun and stuff is in the pool. I will be going to step at least my big toe in the pool, and that's it. I may get some footage of doing some weights, may not, but right now I'm just gonna be present and showing up. Okay, waffle, 4 eggs. Yes, I measured my 1 tablespoon of syrup, okay, because I have goals. And this meal was very filling. It gave me sustainable energy, and I still was in line with my goals. Okay, I know this is not like the most ideal mid dinner, but it was quick. These are flavors in the noodle, and it's 2 eggs. Doesn't look the most delicious, but it is good enough for me. And this is what I have on hand. And I was too lazy to make some spinach because I just got home not too long ago, and this is just what I felt like eating. So yeah. It is hard for me to be on camera. I am not a camera girl. So, and I started a lot of videos in like my backlog and didn't finish because either I didn't like the way I looked or I didn't like the way I sounded. I was just very critiquing. I was critiquing myself a lot, and I don't really like following a script because I just don't do well with those. So I said, I'm just going to speak from my heart and say what's on my mind. This is a little cringy. So far, I believe I showed some of my food. Nothing extravagant. I've talked about just getting back in a rhythm and a little family vacation that we took. So I'm doing my due diligence with finishing this video and posting it. And I just feel more comfortable with, like, yes, I will have topics that I will discuss. I'll try to keep most things relevant and as real life as possible without oversharing too much. And yeah, I can only, like, I can't make up things that happen in a day because that's not real life. I can only share what actually happened. Like, I am here to, I guess, entertain, if that's what they call it, but I can only share what actually happened, how I'm actually feeling, what I'm actually thinking, what direction I'm actually going in and desire to go in. And I will share updates, especially things that may seem small to some or not big enough to others. Still going to share it because it just might help somebody that is on the same journey. So yeah, it's just more comfortable for me to just say what it is, the actual and factual. I just can't be any other way. I know most YouTube videos are supposed to be like aesthetic and really like entertaining. If you got this far in a video, thank you. Drop a purple heart. I appreciate you for making it this far. I won't rabble on too much, but just here to say I am on my journey of losing 3 inches off my waist, and I'm hoping to achieve that by November. And I do have a plan I'm following. It fits my life. It fits my real life. I am a hands-on mother. I am a hands-on wife. And I also work a full-time job. And I was actually speaking with one of my coworkers, and she was just like, it's a lot she asked me if I was a parent because school is about to start. We started talking about school, and I said, yes, it is a lot. I have a senior and I have a 4th grader, and I do have some help. And I just feel for those mothers that really don't have a lot of help. I don't have like a whole gang of, family members where we are, but they either help from a distance, like mentally and encouraging. But yeah, mostly it's me, my kids, and my husband, and we do what we have to make it work. And some days it is a lot. Some days you just don't have that much energy, and some days I consider the energy from my kids and my husband's energy that they had to expel throughout the day, and we just tap in and we check in with each other. My husband and I, we're big, really big on family and supporting one another and helping where we can and when we can, whether that's not really financially that much, but other ways, yes. And sometimes that's what some of us need, is just someone to just actually listen without judging. Okay, I'm not sure how I got on this subject, but I'm speaking from my heart and mind. So if you're here to stay, I welcome you. If you're new here, I welcome you. And in other videos and future videos, I'll be sharing each week highlights of the week for these next 8 weeks, and we'll see what happens.